Hello guys, we're gonna be doing Tom Hero tips and tricks. Yeah, I'm just waiting to find them. And choose the good character, and then you can select go. And also make sure when you
use these boosts.
Yeah, use those boosts. And if you find a portal, get into it. Uh-oh.
Poor Tommy.
Yes. And make sure you also collect these bags. They give you lots of gold. Okay. And we're gonna go inside this portal beach. Okay.
So yeah, we're on the beach, guys.
Let's go back in here.
Back to China, it looks like.
And also get these if you see them.
Yeah, like every character has a special version of them.
Yes, and also use these too. Look what's gonna happen. It's gonna blast them to bits. And also, if you have a chance, you can do that.
Yeah, you can just smash down.
And also trying to do these if
we don't want to see an ad, though.
Yeah. Okay. And also, if you're gonna like, if you die and you have enough of those things, then you can tap it, and then you can save yourself. And also try to collect coins, because that's the reason.
Yeah, and kill enemies.
Yeah, because there's the one. Okay.
Uh-oh. He died.
These ones I'm talking about, use those to revive.
Yeah. So guys, that is it for this video.
Wow, I got gold.
Make sure to like and subscribe.
Make sure to like and subscribe to Funnypumpkins Jr. out.